Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, welcome back to Daily Doodles. So today I'm going to show you how to draw a yummy looking Valentine's Day cupcake. So before we get started, please comment, like, subscribe, share with a buddy. All of that really helps out the channel. And also don't forget we have a contest going on right now at Daily Doodles, and if you're interested in that, then feel free to check out the description in this video. You'll find all the information for that. Okay, so now let's go to our drawing. I'm going to start our cupcake. I'm going to start drawing our cupcake with the icing. So I'm going to make a line like this, and then come out that way a little bit. And now we're going to make a similar line like that, and come down again like on the side. And now I'm going to come down that way, and I'm going to do like that. Now over here, I'm going to do something similar, like that. So now I just did a little line right here, same as right there. And this one's going to be a little bit different. This one is going to kind of curve a little bit and look like that. And now on top of that, we have a line, and we're going to do something very similar but a little bit smaller. There. Now over on this side, we are going to come up a little bit again, and a little line there, and then come on down, and now right here, do a curve, and same right here. Okay, and now on top of our icing, I'm going to put a heart. Actually, I'm going to put two hearts. I'm going to put one little one right there, and one big one behind the little one. Okay, and now underneath our icing, we're going to see a little bit of the cupcake itself. So I'm going to do a little curve here and a little curve here on this side. And now we have to draw the cupcake paper. So I'm going to do a pile of V shapes actually. Just a pile. Okay, and I'm going to do a couple more out past that cupcake, the cupcake side here. Okay, like that. And now we're going to come in on both sides a little bit. And we're going to do a curved line here on the bottom. And each one of these little V shapes, the bottom part, we're going to do a little line coming from each one of those. Okay, and actually I'm going to do a couple more, kind of going down a bit further. All right, so we've got our cupcake drawn. I think I'm I'm gonna make it a chocolate cupcake, and I think I'm gonna give it some, maybe some red icing. No, never mind. I'm feeling pink icing. All right, I'm gonna get to coloring. Alright everyone, so we are finished our picture of our Valentine's cupcake. So you can see that after I had everything all colored, I used a white gel pen to add some like little heart details. And I think it turned out pretty cute. So let me know in the comments below what you think. And I hope you had fun drawing. I hope you have a really super awesome, great day. And I hope to see you back here tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. Goodbye everybody!